You may have seen this title recently, The World Ahead 2026, but what exactly is it? Is it a prediction, a plan, or a warning? Today, I'll explain what this report really is, who creates it, and what it tells us about the world heading toward 2026 in simple words. The World Ahead 2026 is a special annual report published by The Economist, one of the world's most respected global magazines. It is not news, and it is not fiction. It is a forecast created using economic data, political analysis, expert interviews, and global trend research. Governments, investors, policymakers, and global companies study this report to prepare for the future. So, what does the 2026 report actually focus on? Let's decode the key points. First, the global economy and rich nations. The report highlights that wealthy countries are investing heavily in artificial intelligence, defense, green energy, and automation. This could lead to faster growth in rich nations, while developing countries may face more pressure. Second, the impact of artificial intelligence on work. By 2026, AI won't replace everyone, but it will change almost every profession. Jobs linked to data, automation, digital content, and technology are set to grow. On the other hand, routine and repetitive jobs may decline. This means upskilling and adapting will be more important than ever. Third, geopolitics and power shifts. The world is moving toward what's called a multipolar system. This means power will no longer be controlled by just one or two countries. This shift increases global competition, creates new alliances, and unfortunately, can also lead to more regional tensions. Fourth, climate and energy. Climate change is no longer being treated as a distant, future issue. The report warns of more extreme weather events, potential food insecurity, and significant energy challenges. This is pushing nations to accelerate their transition to clean energy sources much faster than before. So, what does all of this mean for ordinary people like you and me? This report matters because these global trends directly affect prices, jobs, education, and the technology we use every day. Understanding these shifts early helps individuals and businesses adapt, reskill, and prepare instead of being forced to react when it's too late. It gives us a roadmap to navigate the changes ahead. If you want more clear explanations about global trends and what they mean for the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button to this channel. And if you found this video helpful, please like it to support more educational content just like this. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so comment below which of these changes worries or excites you the most. Remember, knowledge is power and preparation is everything. Thanks for watching.